Hey guys, Merry Christmas from me and our family. And this is our Noche Buena. Ayan yung aming handa. Monty-monty, pero sobrang happy. At syempre nandito ang aking mga baby. Sebi boy. And this is my baby girl, my Zyla Jane. Look at anak. Oh, nakabihis ng aking mga anak. Si Ate Ashley. Ang aking Sebi boy. Merry Christmas from our house. Ayan. Merry Christmas. At syempre, with our daddy. Daddy, tingin. Ayan. Merry Christmas to everyone. Let's go. Let's eat na. Sarap namin food. Ayan, ang sarap. Ang dami kainan na. Yeah! Yeah. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to everyone, guys. From me, our family, Daddy, my children, Zyla Jane, Ashley, and Sebi Boy. Nasa labas si Yorgi. Yes, guys. Merry Christmas! Yeah. Merry Christmas!